If you've been wondering how to get a Telegram code in your email, here's the important thing to know right away. Telegram does not normally send your first login code by email. Instead, Telegram usually sends verification codes by SMS, by phone call, or through an already logged in Telegram session on another device. So if you're trying to sign in for the first time, you should expect the code to come through one of those official methods, not your inbox. That said, there is one situation where email does matter. If you have already set up two-step verification in Telegram and added a recovery email, Telegram can send a recovery code to that email if you ever forget your password. So the email is mainly for password recovery, not for the initial login code. Now let me show you how to set that up properly so your account has a recovery email linked to it. First, open Telegram on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap the menu icon with the three lines, then go into Settings. From there, find Privacy and Security and tap on it. Inside that menu, look for two-step verification. This is the feature that lets you create an extra password for your Telegram account. Tap it and follow the prompts to create a secure password. After you create the password, Telegram will ask you to add a recovery email address. This step is very important because it gives you a backup way to recover your account if you ever forget your password. Enter your email carefully, then check your inbox for the verification message from Telegram. Open that email, verify it, and complete the setup. Once that's done, your recovery email is linked to your Telegram account. So again, to be clear, this does not change the way your normal login code works. Your normal Telegram login code still comes by SMS, phone call, or on an active session. But if you forget your two-step verification password, Telegram can use your recovery email to help you regain access. If you found this helpful, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow and lets you know when new guides are posted. So the short answer is, you cannot get your initial Telegram code in email unless Telegram is using your recovery email for password recovery after two-step verification is enabled. If your goal is to secure your account, set up that password and recovery email now so you don't get locked out later. And if you're trying to log in, check your phone number, SMS messages, call options, or another device where Telegram is already active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.